We are Guangzhou MeCan Medical. Welcome to MeCan Livestream. This is Janice. If you have been our customers already, thanks for watching. And don't forget to click like for us. And there will be something different today. Today we invite our sales lady here, Miss Winnie, to introduce products with me. Welcome, Winnie.
Hello everyone. This is Winnie from MeCan Medical. I'm very glad to be here today. I have an overall understanding of our company's products, so I can recommend suitable products to my clients and provide good support according to my clients' needs. And I'm very grateful to all my clients for their trust and friendly cooperation.
Thanks, Winnie. Today is December 30th. The new year is coming. Thank all our customers and friends for your continued support. If you are the first time to watch our live stream, please follow us. We will have more products introduction and coupons in our live stream.
Yes, in our last live stream of this year, we are going to introduce some of this year's hot selling products. If you want to purchase new medical equipment for your clinic or hospital in the new year, please keep watching and don't forget to click likes for us.
That's right. For these hot selling products, they are not only of high quality but also of competitive price. If you want to know more details, please keep watching or you can send us an inquiry.
Besides, we set some special coupon for these products today. The first way is if you send an inquiry with our slogan, I like MeCan, then you will get $10 discount. Another way is you can leave your comment below. The top 10 friends who leave the comment will have $15 discount for order checkout.
That's right. If you have any question, please feel free to leave your comments below. We will reply you here. Okay, now let's start our today's introduction.
Yes, as we know, normal blood pressure is very important for blood circulation. And hypertension is one of the most common cardiovascular diseases and an important risk factor for heart failure and other diseases. Therefore, we need to pay more attention to our blood pressure in our daily life. Today, the first hot selling product we introduce is blood pressure machine.
Yes, this is our blood pressure machine. This blood pressure machine is really suitable for every family. If you are a distributor, we can also customize your logo for you. Now let's check more detail of this blood pressure machine.
Yes, this machine is about 330 grams. Look concise and practical. When you hold it in your hand, you will not only feel the weight of this machine is very light, but also feel the texture of this machine is very smooth.
And this machine equipped with more than 3-inch display. It has high definition display, large display fonts, which can solve the difficulty of reading, especially for the elderly.
What's more, it can measure the blood pressure from 0 to 280 millimeters of mercury and pulse from 40 to 180 beats per minute. This setting meets the daily needs of users no matter at home or at hospital.
And this model has the memory function also, which means it can display the previously measured systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure, and pulse rate values.
That's right. About 80 groups data can be memorized, and the data of the measurement data can be recorded. The user's blood pressure can be managed scientifically, and blood pressure changes can be accurately recorded.
Okay, now let's install the battery to turn on the machine to show our friends. For this model, it needs 4 pieces AA batteries. And we also prepared today. When we install the batteries here, the machine will show the room temperature. As we can see now, it's 20 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
And besides, it adopts the USB direct plug-in power supply and dry battery dual power supply mode, which is portable and environmentally friendly.
Okay, now let's have installed the battery. And before we use it, we usually also need to connect this tube. Now let's check Jenny's blood pressure firstly.
Okay.
Pull out the seal to reveal the arm. Yes, and then write this. Yes, let's open the machine. Usually, the patient should relax for about 10 to 15 minutes and keep quiet and relax during the measurement. And normally, measuring blood pressure is subject to the right arm. Tightness should be appropriate. 1 or 2 fingers roll between your arm and the cuff. Okay, now let's read your blood pressure.
Yes, the result is coming.
Yes.
Hi, welcome our friends from United States. Welcome, Mr. Shatara.
Hello, my friends. Welcome to our live stream. We are introducing our Wholesale blood pressure machine. This machine equipped with more than 3-inch LCD displays, and it can measure the blood pressure from 0 to 280 millimeters of mercury and pulse from 40 to 180 beats per minute. Yes, and we are measuring Jenny's blood pressure now. And it is equipped with the memory function. Up to 90 groups of data can be memorized, and the time and data of the measurement data can be recorded also. If you like it, welcome to send us an inquiry. Yes, we can see Jenny's blood pressure now.
Yes, I just got the result. For my systolic blood pressure is 127 and my diastolic pressure is 71 and my pulse rate is 89 beats per minute. Wow, I'm pretty healthy.
Yes.
Okay, now let me measure the blood pressure of you.
Okay, thank you. Yes, this one.
Because I'm just on your left side, so I will measure your left arm.
Okay.
Hi, welcome. Welcome, Mr. Progela from India.
Hello. Welcome.
Welcome to our live stream. We are introducing our Wholesale blood pressure machine. This model equips with more than 3-inch LCD display and it can measure the blood pressure from 0 to 280 millimeters of mercury and pulse rates from 40 to 180 beats per minute.
Yes. And now I'm checking the blood pressure.
Yes, we just measured my partner's Winnie's blood pressure. We just got the results.
Yes.
Do you know the normal value of the blood pressure?
Please share it with our friends.
Yes, the systolic blood pressure for healthy adults is between 90 to 140 millimeters of mercury, and the diastolic pressure is between 60 to 90 millimeters of mercury. If the systolic pressure is equal to or over 160 and diastolic pressure is over 95, it can be defined as hypertension. Also, if one of the value is verified, it is diagnosed as hypertension.
Wow, This machine is very convenient and it is easy to use at home or at hospital.
Yes, and it is very perfect for our parents to use together. If you are interested in this product, please send us an inquiry and don't forget to send us an inquiry with our slogan, I like MeCan. Then you can get $10 coupon.
Yes, if you have any question, please feel free to leave your comments below. For the top 10 friends who leave the comment, we'll have $15 discount for order checkout.
Okay, now let's check if our friends left the comments to us.
Yes.
There is a friend asked, can you print my logo on the machine?
Yes, dear. Thanks for your comment. We can print your logo on the machine. And may I know how many pieces do you need? You can send us an inquiry to get more information. And thanks for our friend's question. If you have any questions, you can keep watching and leaving your comments, and we will reply you here. Okay, this is all for our blood pressure machine, and if you like it, please take action to get our coupons.
That's right, please take action. Okay, now let's move to the next product. The next product we will introduce is this aluminum case. I think our friends must wonder what products are inside this small aluminum case. Let me show it to you.
Yes, let's see what is inside. Wow! This is the Wingminder. It's a medical device that uses the principle that hemoglobin in the blood absorbs near infrared light stronger than other tissues. It can project blood vessels in situation on the skin surface in real time, and it can show the thickness, direction, distribution, and contour of blood vessels.
And at the same time, it also helps doctors and nurses easily find the veins of various patients, such as obesity, hairy or dark-skinned people, etc.
Yes, hello, our friends.
Hi, welcome, Mr. Nabil from Morocco. We are introducing our Wingminder. Welcome to our live stream. For this Wingminder, it comes with a small aluminum case, and it can provide 3 kinds of image size, and the design is suitable for adults, children, and newborn. And it also has 5 levels of brightness and 7 colors available, which is suitable for different skin colors or environments.
Yes, and if you like it, please click likes for us, and welcome to send us an inquiry with our slogan, I like MeCan, to get $10 coupon. If you can leave your comments below, the top 10 friends who leave the comment here will have $15 discount for order checkout.
That's right. Okay, now let's back to our introduction. We just talked about this Wingminder can help doctors and nurses easily find veins of various patients, such as obesity, hairy or dark-skinned people, etc.
Yes, welcome our friends.
Welcome Daniel from Singapore. We are introducing our Wingminder.
Yes, it comes with the small aluminum case, and it can provide 3 kinds of image size. This design is suitable for adults, children, and newborn, and it also has 5 levels of brightness and 7 colors available, which is suitable for different skin colors or environments.
So if you like it, please click like for us, and welcome to send us an inquiry with our slogan, I like MeCan, to get $10 coupon, or you can leave your comments below. For the top 10 friends who leave the comments here, we'll have $15 coupons. Please take action, my friends.
Yes, take action.
And we just talk about this Wingminder is contained in this aluminum case.
Yes, as you can see, Our wayfinder is contained in a small aluminum case. See? This looks very professional and convenient, right? And let's open the case, and you can see all parts are fixed in the sponge. Thus, during transportation, the machine and its spare parts will not be damaged, and it's very convenient to carry it everywhere.
That's right. And our machine adopts infrared light technology, which is harnessed to human body, and the infrared depth is 8 millimeters.
Yes, and it can provide 3 kinds of image size. The design is suitable for adults, children, and newborn. Let's show you. Yes, this is the first one. And this is the second one. And this is the third one. And all these are suitable for adults, children, and newborn separately.
And for this wayfinder, there are 5 levels of brightness, which is suitable for doctor and nurse use in different environments. So we can adjust the image to the most comfortable brightness. Winnie, could you please show it to our friends?
Yes, let's see the function here.
Yeah, I can check the brightness is changed.
Yes.
And we have 5 levels. Now
Yes.
it's the first,
The first,
second,
the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth.
Yes, so we can adjust the brightness to the most comfortable.
Yes, and it has enhancement mode, so it can enhance the clarity of blood vessel detection. Let me show you. Yes, we can see the was written here. Yes, it is enhanced mode, and this one is sports mode. It is easy for us to read.
And there are 7 colors available. The first is the cyan, and the green, the red, blue, yellow, purple, and the white.
Yes.
So as to, it is very suitable for different skin colors or environments.
Yes, besides, it is equipped with the sleep mode. When the machine in the sleep mode, it means the machine enter into low power mode when the user needs short intervals, and it can be wake up quickly. There is no need for customers to repeatedly operate the power on or power off button, which improves work efficiency. Low power sleep mode can increase the duration of machine use.
And now let me show our friends the standard configuration. All the accessories can be connected in the cases. And we have the charging cable, the charging adapter, the calibration card, and the skin pen. And we also have 2 stands as optional accessories. You can check the picture above the screen. They are table stand and a movable stand. With these 2 stands, the use of machines will be more convenient.
Yes, this all for our wayfinder. And let's check the comments from our friends.
And I just noticed there is a friend asks, can this wayfinder use for animal?
Oh, this machine cannot be used on animals because animals have hair interference, and we do not recommend using them on animals.
And there is another question. Does your machine has battery?
Yes, dear. Our machine has battery, and it is rechargeable batteries, and the battery is detachable and you can get it locally. It is so convenient. And so far, we have introduced the two small wholesaling products. And the first one is the blood pressure machine, and the first one is our blood pressure machine, and the second one is our Wingminder. And now, let's take a look at the big guys, which are very popular in hospitals.
That's right. First of all, let's introduce the most common furniture in hospital wards. That is our hospital bed.
Yes, here is our hospital bed. The size of the bed surface is 190 centimeters long and 85 centimeters wide. Therefore, it is wide enough to provide a comfortable space for patients.
And the height of the bed is adjustable from 50 to 70 centimeters. Patients and nursing staffs are free to adjust the height to meet their needs.
Yes, and the bedboard is made of carbon steel paint, and the whole board is stamped and formed into multiple holes at one time.
As you can see, the neatly arranged holes have a non-slip function and has a good breathability.
Yes, and the head and the footboard is made of imported PP material, and they are removable. Yes, the footboard and the headboard is made of imported PP material and they are removable. And there is a patient information slot outside the back end.
For this, PP head and footboard are with the good performance and high hardness, not easy to fade, and also it's easy to remove and install. What's more, it can be quickly disassembled to meet the needs of clinical emergency treatments. Okay, now let's install it.
Yes, it is so convenient.
That's right.
For the electric bed, both sides of the bed are equipped with lifting guardrail and to prevent patients from accidentally falling down from the bed.
The material of the guardrail uses aluminum alloy. It is very light and service life is long. And the guardrail can be easily folded up and down, which makes it easier for nursing staff to take care of the patient.
Yes, and the foot of the bed is made of 5-inch noiseless caster with brake. The hospital bed can be more convenient and stable to move and without noise. Yes, it is very noiseless and very convenient, easy to operate.
And there is a brake here. We just need to step on it.
Yes.
Then it will be locked.
It's very safe.
That's right. And I think our clients will care about the motor. Today we will explain that carefully. I think you will ask what's the motor brand or how's the quality.
Yeah, this electric bed adopted advanced medical motor system. It contains 3 Taiwan motors. With these Taiwan motors, during the movement, the noise is very low and it can provide stable movement. The reason why we choose Taiwan's motors is good stability and also cost effective. Compared with the motor in mainland China, Taiwan's motors are more advanced with good performance. And compared with imported motors, Taiwan's motors are more economical.
And besides, one side of the bed is equipped with the controller.
Yes, here is the controller.
Through the controller, there are 3 functions can be realized.
Yes, the controller is equipped with advanced touch switch. Usually, the service life of mechanical keys is very limited, and it is easy to make the keys invalid by pressing too much.
However, with the advanced touch switch, hi, welcome our friends, welcome to our live stream.
Hello, welcome.
We are introducing our 3 functions electric hospital bed. The size of the bed surface is 190 centimeters long and 85 centimeters wide. The head and footboard is made of imported PP material, and they are removable.
Yes, what's more, the material of guardrail use aluminum alloy equipped with 5-inch noiseless crystal with brake. It also has 3 Taiwan motors provide stable movement. If you are interested in our hospital bed, welcome to send us an inquiry and get more details.
That's right. If you like it, please click like for us. And we just talked about this controller equipped with advanced touch switch. And with this, hi, welcome Wendy. With this advanced touch switch, not only can control the position, it's very sensitively, and the service life is very long. And the back of the bed can be adjusted to 80 degrees. Winnie, could you please show it to our friends?
Yes. It is living up now. Yes, just keep touching this button and it can keep living up. It's so convenient.
Yes, and the movement is really stable and noiseless.
Yes.
And it can meet the patient's daily needs. And the knee position also can be adjusted. Now let us show you.
Yes, just keep clicking the button and it is living up.
The knee position can be adjusted to 40 degrees, so it is very convenient for nursing staff to massage patients' legs and avoid leg stiffness caused by lying in the bed for a long time. And the height of the bed also can be adjusted.
Yes, it keeps living up and it's so noiseless.
Yes, the height can be adjusted from 50 centimeters to 90 centimeters. So patients and nursing staff are free to adjust the height to meet their needs through the controller.
Yes, that we can see here the position of the bed is higher than the bed previously.
That's right.
Yes, as you can see here, there are 4 IV drip stand holes distributed in the 4 corners of the bed frame for convenient use.
It can allow patients to receive injections in various body parts while lying in the bed. Different IV stands can attach different medical pumps, like the infusion pump, syringe pump, and feeding pump. And also the stainless steel IV stand with the ABS fasten system, it can adjust the height very easily.
Yes. It's very easy to cooperate. Besides, we can also support optional lights beside bed cabinet, over bed table. Yes, and the drip stand. If you need them, you can tell us when you place the order, and our professional sales lady will support you.
Okay, now let's check the comments. There is a friend asks, can your bed have both motor or manual crank?
Yes, we have 3 functions. 2 functions and 1 function electric hospital bed have both motor and manual crank in case the emergency situation happens. And we have just talked about the most common furniture in the world, the hospital bed. And now let's check the production in the operating room.
Okay, now let's introduce our another big guys. This is our operating table.
Yes, this model is driven by a low voltage DC motor. During operation, noise of the motor is very low and provides stable movement and good performance.
And our operating table is 200 centimeters long and 50 centimeters wide and 55 centimeters high.
Yes, and the bed surface is composed of 4 parts: the head, the back, the butters, and 2-piece leg board. The left and the right board can be separated.
And here is a controller which can adjust different positions of this operating table so that to meet the posture requirements of operating rooms in surgery, such as the obstetric and gynecology, ENT, and so on.
Yes, let's show the functions of the controller for our friends. The first one, we can lift up our bed or our table. Just click this button and it is noiseless and very convenient. And then for another button, it can lower its precision.
Yeah, I can feel the movement is really stable and noiseless.
Yes, and the third one, we can make the back up, which is convenient when our surgeons do the operation. And we can make it down. Yes, here are 4 functions. Another one is we can make the position of the head lower than the foot, right?
Yes.
Then we can make it back to the normal position. Another one is it can tilt it to the right side or the left side. Yes, and here are 8 functions which can be achieved by using the controller, just one controller.
That's right, as we just showed, all the movement is really stable and noiseless. That's because we adopted the low voltage DC motor. And the inner and outer shells of the bed, just like the base shell, is made of the high quality stainless steel, which is very easy to clean and has long service life.
Yes, the bedboard has good X-ray penetration, so it can work with X-ray machine. And the mattress is made of high density sponge, which is 5 centimeters thickness to prevent bed sores, and also it is waterproof.
And for our operating table, it is equipped with built-in high-performance rechargeable battery.
Yes, to ensure that the operating table works without power for 1 hour, the rechargeable battery requires no maintenance and can be used for a long time to ensure maximal safety.
That's right. Okay, now let's check the comments.
Yes.
A friend asks, how many hours can your built-in battery work without the DC power?
My friends comments. And this is a very good question, dear. Our built-in battery can work about 1 hour. And also, we can change to 110 voltage or 220 voltage. Those are very easy to change. And while I believe that you guys have known well about our operation table, And now let's move to the good partner of our operation table. This is our operation lamp.
This is our very Wholesale model. And our lamp works with the LCD control panel. Here is the LCD control panel. You also can check the picture about the screen. And through this LCD control panel, it has a very clear view and can be adjusted the intensity and color temperature sensitively at any time.
We all know that surgery is a very careful process, and the surgical light directly affects the doctor's vision. So what is more important than accuracy and safety?
Yes, and the reason why we choose the Osram is because the Osram also be a leader in lamps. It was founded in 1990. It is very famous brand in the industry, so its quality is more guaranteed. The LED bulbs can be used for more than 50,000 hours. After you receive our lamps, you don't need to replace them frequently, and it saves cost and time.
Yes, then let's take a look at the structure of the lamp. It is the Ondo balance arm. Yes, it is made of sturdy material and can be rotated to a fixed point at any time.
And the color temperature is also a detail we need to pay attention to during the surgery. There are 5 levels of the color temperature can be adjusted easily as needed with a strong applicability. Okay, now let me turn on the lights to show you the color temperature. It's very easy to operate. As we shown before, this lamp is used the LCD control panel, so we just need to touch this screen. Then we can adjust the lights. Here is the first level color temperature, and then we just need to adjust it. Now it's the second, the third, the fourth, and the highest level.
Yes, I can see it's changing.
Yes, and also the intensity can be adjusted. Now it's the first level. Can you see that?
Yes, I can feel it's changing. And I think for some surgeons, they must have some bad experience. The reflection and the flashes from the bed cloth, gauze, or instruments will make their eyes feel uncomfortable. But our operation lamp can ensure a color temperature of more than 4000 K, which is close to daylight, making the eyes perceivable by the eyes clearer and will not lead to eye strain due to long hours operation.
What's more, for our operating lamp, it is equipped with the built-in big capacity battery in case there is a power failure during the operation.
Yes, and the removable wheels, which can satisfy the demands for using in different surgeons or operation rooms.
As you can see, it can be moved very stably.
Yes, and here, let's see here. Here is the removable sterilizer handle, and which is convenient for disinfection.
Okay, now let us repeat again the main function of this operating lamp. Firstly, it works with the LCD control panel, which can adjust the intensity and color temperature sensitively at any time.
Yes, and the bulbs of our lamp are German Osram bulbs. They can work more than 50,000 hours. Balance arm is the Ondo balance arm, which is made of sturdy material and can be rotated to a fixed point at any time.
And 5 levels of color temperature can be adjusted, and we adopt the most advanced PWM dimming technology, which can help relieve the eye fatigue.
Yes, and the built-in big capacity battery and removable sterilizer handle. If you like this function, they are very useful, and if you like them, please click likes for us.
And if you are interested in our operating lamp, please click like and send us an inquiry to get the latest price. Don't forget to send with our slogan, I like MeCan, to get a coupon. Okay, we just finished to introduce our operating lamp. Let's check the comments if our friends leave the questions to us.
Yes.
A friend asks, do you have the surgical lamp with the camera system?
Yes, thanks for your comment, friends. And yes, when we have other models with camera, panoramic camera and projector is optional, which is easy to see the operation process fully. And welcome to send us an inquiry, and we will share you the more information and send you the catalog and price.
That's right. If you have any question, please feel free to leave your comments here. Okay, in our today's introduction, we just introduced five products. It is really hot selling this year. Okay, now let us make a conclusion of our introduction. Firstly, we just introduce our blood pressure machine.
Yes, it is convenient to carry and it's easy to use, no matter in hospital or at home. This model is about 330 grams, looks concise and practical. When you hold it in your hand, you will not only feel the weight of the machine is very light, but also feel the texture of this machine is very smooth.
And this machine equipped with more than 3-inch display. Here is 3-inch display. It has high definition display, large display fonts, which can solve the difficulty of reading, especially for the elderly.
Yes, what's more, it can measure the blood pressure from 0 to 280 millimeters of mercury and pulse from 40 to 180 beats per minute. This setting meets the daily needs of user no matter at home or at hospital.
And this model has memory function, which means it can record it to patients' blood pressure. And in our first introduction, we just measure the blood pressure of
Me, Winnie, and
Yeah.
Janice.
Yes.
Welcome our friends.
Welcome Daniel back. In our today's introduction, we introduced 5 products: the blood pressure and Wingminder, hospital bed, operating table, and operating lamp. May I know which products are you interested in?
If you are interested in our products, you can leave your comment below.
That's right. And now we are introducing our Wholesale blood pressure again. This model equipped with more than 3-inch LCD display. It can measure the blood pressure from 0 to 280 millimeters of mercury and pulse rates from 40 to 180 beats per minute.
Yes, and it is equipped with the memory function. Up to 90 groups of data can be memorized, and the time and the date of the measurement data can be recorded also. And if you like it, welcome to send us an inquiries and click likes for us.
That's right. And if you are interested in other products we just introduced today, You also can leave your comments here. We will show you again. And then we also introduce our Wingminder.
Yes, the second product that we introduced.
For our Wingminder, it can help doctors and nurses easily find veins of various patients such as obesity, hairy or dark skin people, etc. It highly increases the success rate of puncture, thus reducing unnecessary conflicts between doctors and patients.
Yes, and there is a small aluminum case. It can hold all the spare parts and this Wingminder in just one small aluminum case. So it looks very professional and very convenient. And during transportation, the machine and its spare parts will not be damaged because there is a sponge inside this case. And it's very easy to carry and it's convenient to carry it everywhere.
That's right, and our machine adopts infrared light technology, which is harnessed to human body, and the infrared depth is 8 millimeters.
Yes, and we have also introduced that it can provide 3 kinds of image size, and the 3 sizes are suitable for adults, children, and newborn baby.
Yes, now let us show this 3 size image.
Yes, there are 3 kinds of image size. Yes, I can feel the changes based on the picture, the image on my hand.
Yes, and this size is for newborn, and this is for children, and the biggest one is for adults.
Yes, it's easy for doctors or nurses to find the ways.
Yes, and there are 5 levels of brightness. Let me show you. As you can see, now it is the lowest level of the brightness.
Yes, the darkest level.
And then we can adjust it. It is a little brighter. And it is the 3rd level, the 5th level, and now it is the highest level. It is very suitable for doctor and nurse use in different environments, and we can adjust the image to the most comfortable brightness.
Yes, it also has the enhancement mode, so it can enhance the clarity of the blood vessel detection.
We just need to press the mode button here, and then it can be changed. Winnie, can you check the words here?
Yes, it is enhanced mode, right?
Yes.
And this is smart mode. Wow, it's so easy to read, and it reminds me what mode it is.
That's right. And there are 7 colors available.
Wow, what are they?
Let me show you. The first is just this color. It is cyan. And then I need to change it to the green.
Wow, green.
And red. Blue. Yellow. Purple. And white.
Wow. How many colors?
There are 7 colors available.
Oh, 7 colors.
7 colors. It is really suitable for different skin colors or environments. Besides, it has a sleep mode.
Yes, just click the button here. Yes, then the machine is in a sleep mode. And it means the machine enter into a low battery mode when the user needs short intervals and it can wake up quickly. And this is the function of the sleep mode. And there is no need for customers to repeatedly operate the power on or power off button, which improves work efficiency, right? And low power sleep mode can increase the duration of the machine use.
That's right. And for our Wingminder, for the standard configuration, we have the charging cable and the charging adapter. And here is the calibration card and the skin pen. Besides, we have two stands as optional accessories. They are table stand and movable stand. As you can check the picture above the screen. With these stands, the use of machines will be more convenient. So you can check the picture. If you need it, you can send us an inquiry.
Yes, Janice, a friend has asked whether this Wingfinder can be used for animals.
Oh, this machine cannot be used on animals because animals has hair interference, and we don't recommend our clients use it to the animals.
Yes.
And I just remember a friend asked, does our machine has battery?
Oh, yes, friend. Our machine has battery. Yes, and it is rechargeable battery. And the battery is detachable and you can get it locally.
Okay, we just introduced our Wingfinder.
The first product we mentioned is the hospital bed, right?
Yes. For this hospital bed, the bed surface is 190 centimeters long and 85 centimeters wide. It is very wide enough to provide comfortable space for patients, and the height of the bed is adjustable from 50 to 70 centimeters. Patients and nursing staffs are free to adjust the height to meet their needs.
Yes, and the head and the footboard is made of the imported PP material, and they are removable. Let's show you. They are removable. And there is a patient information slot outside the bed end.
And this PP head and footboard are with very good performance and high hardness, not easy to fade, also easy to remove and install. What's more, it can be quickly disassembled to meet the needs of clinical emergency treatments. Okay, now let's install it.
Yes, it is easy to operate. And for this electric bed, both sides of the bed are equipped with lifting guardrail to prevent patients from accidentally falling down from the bed.
And the material of the guardrail uses aluminum alloy. It's very light and has long service life. And the guardrail can be easily folded up and down, which makes it easier for nursing staff to take care of patients.
Yes, the foot of the bed is made of 5-inch noiseless crystals with brake. The hospital bed can be more convenient and stable to move and without any noise.
And our hospital beds has 3 motors.
Yes, they are Taiwan motors. With these Taiwan motors, during the movement, the noise is very low and it can provide stable movement. The reason why we choose Taiwan motors is its good stability and also cost-effective. Compared with the motor in mainland China, Taiwan's motors are more advanced with good performance, And compared with imported motors, Taiwan's motors are more economical.
And besides, for our bed, it is equipped with a controller.
Yes, and here is the controller.
Through the controller, there are 3 functions can be realized.
Yes, the controller is equipped with a one-touch switch. Usually, the service life of traditional mechanical keys are very limited, and it is easy to make the keys invalid by pressing too much.
And however, with this advanced touch switch, not only can control the position is very sensitively, and the service life is very long.
Yes, besides, we can also support the optional like beside bed cabinet.
And this offer bed table.
Yes, and this IV jig stand, right?
Yes. And we also talk about wholesaling operating room products. It is our operating table.
Yes, this model is driven by a low voltage DC motor. During operation, noise of the motor is very low and provides stable movement and good performance.
And our operating table is 200 centimeters long and 50 centimeters wide and 55 centimeters high.
Yes, the bed surface is composed of 4 parts: the head, the back, the buttocks, and 2-piece leg board. The left one and the right leg board can be separated.
And for our operating table, just like the hospital bed, it also has a controller.
Yes, there are 8 functions can be achieved by just one controller.
Through this controller, we can adjust different positions of the operating table so that you meet the posture requirements of operating rooms in surgery, such as the obstetrics and gynecology and ENT and so on. And the inner and outer shells of the bed, it is made of high quality stainless steel, which is easy to clean and also have long surface life.
Yes, the bedboard has good X-ray penetration, so it can work with X-ray machine. And the mattress is made of high density sponge, which is 5 centimeters thickness to prevent bed sores, and also it is waterproof.
And the operating table is equipped with a built-in high-performance rechargeable battery.
Yes, to ensure the operating table works without power for 1 hour, the rechargeable battery requires no maintenance and can be used for a long time to ensure maximum safety.
And lastly, we introduce our good partner of our operating table. That is our operating lamp.
Yes, this is the last product that we introduced in our live stream.
For our operating lamp, it works with the LCD control panel. It has a clear view and can be adjusted the intensity and color temperature sensitively at any time. Hi, welcome. Welcome, Mr. Amer from India. Hi, welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome to our live stream.
We are presenting our operational lamp.
Yes, for our operating lamp, it has the LCD control panel.
Yes, our lamp works with the LCD control panel, and in order to ensure the quality of the light source, our bulb is German Austrian bulbs, and this is the Ondo balance arm.
And there are 5 levels of color temperature can be adjusted easily as needed with very strong applicability. So welcome to send us an inquiry to get more detail of this operating lamp.
Yes.
And we just talked about our lamp can work work with the LCD control panel. It has a very clear view and can be adjusted the intensity and color temperature sensitively at any time.
Yes, and let's take a look at the structure of the lamp. This is the on-door balance arm, and it is made of sturdy material and can be rotated to a fixed point at any time.
And what's more, for our operating lamp, it is with built-in big capacity battery in case there is a power failure during the operation.
And removable wheels can be satisfied the demands for using in different surgeons or operation rooms. And here is a removable sterilizer handle, which is convenient for disinfection.
Okay, now let's repeat again the main function of our operating lamp. It works with the LCD control panel, which can adjust the intensity and the color temperature sensitively at any time.
Yes, and the bulbs of our lamp are German Austrian bulbs. They can work more than 50,000 hours. Balance arm is on-door balance arm, which is made of sturdy material and can be rotated to a fixed point at any time.
And there are 5 levels of color temperature can be adjusted, and we adopt the most advanced PWM dimming technology, which can help relieve eye fatigue. Hi, welcome. Welcome to our live stream. We are introducing our operating lamp. For our lamp, it works with this LCD control panel. And in order to ensure the quality of the light source, our bulb is German Austrian bulbs. And this is our on-door balance arm.
Yes, and there are 5 levels of the color temperature can be adjusted easily as needed. And with strong applicability, welcome to send us an inquiry and get more details of it.
That's right, and we just talked about it has built-in big capacity battery and removable stabilizer handle. If you think these functions are very useful, please click like for us, and you can send us an inquiry to get the latest price. But don't forget to send it with our slogan, I like MeCan, to get a coupon.
Yes, and we have other models with camera. Yes, a friend has asked. Panoramic camera and projector is optional, which is easily to see the operation process fully. Welcome to send us an inquiry, and we will share you the catalog and price so that you can know more about our products.
That's right. And our today's product introduction is about to the end. Thanks for your watching, and thanks our beautiful sales lady, Miss Winnie here. If our customers have any questions about our products or about our company, please leave your comments here. I will stay in our live studio to reply you.
Yes, thanks our customers watching. And if you want to know more details or more medical equipment, please feel free to send us an inquiry, or you can leave your email address and WhatsApp number here. I will contact you soon. Okay, bye. I'm waiting for your inquiry. See you next